speed set. There's a Pyramix, a cube, which is like pyramid. There's a 3x3, and then there's a 2x2x2. 3x3x3. This is the picture of these 3 cubes. This. 2x2, Pyramix, 3x3. This is recommended for ages 3 and over. And the company's name is Roxenda. So let's open this. I got this scissor to cut the tape off. I've been wanting these like ever since 5th grade started because all my friends on the bus has these. We ordered these on September 30th and now they've just come on October 5th. Get out. Okay. So I'll start with the 2x2. This is the 2x2. This is the 2x2. Here's a picture on it. So let's open this. Open up. Why am I opening from the bottom? I should be opening from the top. What is this paper?
This is the instructions.
Oh! This is telling us what the names of like turning, like this is a name, this has a name, this has a name, like all that. It's telling me that. Okay. I just use up and down. So this is the cube that I got. The 2x2. Orange, blue, red, green. Yellow and white. There's that one. Next one is a 3x3. Okay. So again, all the names of the movements and the actual cube. So it's the same colors, just for the 2x2 there's 2, 2, and this one there's 3, 3. Okay. Very wobbly cube. Last one is the Pyramix, which is my favorite for cheat solving, I'd say. Get out of the box. Please, get out of the box. Ooh. Okay. Very cold. Let's start. So this one, it has the same colors. Green, but it has a few less colors. Green, yellow, blue, and red. Okay.
How about the quality?
Quality? I'd say pretty good. But from first touch, it's a little slippy. So I can't really cheat solve this as fast as I can normally do. My friend counted me cheat solving his cube on the bus. And I did it like, if I recall, 4 seconds, I think, about. I don't think I can do it that fast on this one.
So
yet.
are you recommended these cubes to buy, or you don't recommend anyone?
I can recommend any cube that suits you. I only chose these because
This is a good price. $3 in $10.
3 in 10. This is the set. It has all of them. This is another set. This is for my sister. I'll open it when she comes. That's $315 or $320, $330. I'd say that these are pretty pretty good cubes. I just bought them because first of all, they look good. Second of all, my friend has them and his are very pretty fast. So I'd say I'd recommend these cubes, but I'd say you can choose whichever way you want. Well, bye-bye now. That was all.